Hi there and welcome to this video. You're probably online and you've probably found this video because you're looking for details on the Intempo docking station or Intempo products. The chances are that you're looking for the best deal, the best bargain, the best price and the best value. See, everybody is. But here's the problem. If you're looking online for products, in this case Intempo, you'll see that Google says there's roughly 16,000 competing web pages selling Intempo docking stations. Now, I don't know anybody who's got time to surf, sift and sort through this much data to find the one website that's going to give you the best deal. And that's the thing, everybody wants the best deal, regardless if it's a docking station, a bike, a book, a car, any product or service. Nobody wants to spend any more money than is absolutely necessary. However, here's some great news. If you're online looking to buy anything, there's a service just been launched that takes the hassle out of finding you the best deal right now for virtually any product or service. Introducing My Shopping Genie. You see, My Shopping Genie is a revolutionary PC-based application that uses the latest technology. It's free to install and it's free to use. But here's the best bit. It will find you the best deal on any product in under 30 seconds. Some people use their Genie to buy products directly online, whereas other people use their Genie to compare the entire internet to know they're getting the best price. It's very, very clever. It does a real-time search of up to 5 databases. This includes Google. And it finds you and takes you to the website with the best price for whatever you're looking for in under 30 seconds. Can you imagine the peace of mind this gives you, let alone the time and money that it saves you? Getting your Genie is free and easy. Simply go to www.magicgeniestore.com. Leave your details. On the next page, hit the Get the Free App button. It only takes a minute to install. Once it's installed, you search online as normal. Use Google, Yahoo, Bing, or any of the major search engines. Just type into the bar what you're looking for, in this case, Intempo docking station. Hit the search button and immediately the Genie appears. Automatically you'll see a button on the Genie that says Compare. Simply hit the Compare button and let the Genie do its magic. You see, in the following 30 seconds, it will take you to the page online that's giving you the best price for whatever it is you're looking for. It's magic. And that's it. It's dead simple. So to get your Genie right now, go to www.magicgeniestore.com. Remember, the Genie is 100% free to install. It's 100% free to use. So why not put it to test today? Because finding the best deal on Intempo products just got easier. Happy shopping and happy bargain hunting.